you've seen some of my previous videos, you know I put out a couple of videos of really good deals on robot vacuums like the Roomba i3 Plus, i6, S9, 981, all those good vacuums for a really good bargain. Unfortunately, I think that extra 20% off ends tonight. Hopefully they do that again because that was an extremely good deal. So I did buy two robot vacuums. One being the Roomba i3 Plus. I figured I just had to buy it. It was $240 with a self-empty bin. That's just ridiculously cheap. When I first reviewed that, when it first came out, I paid $600 for that thing. So $240 is a no-brainer. So the reason I'm making this video is because I bought it in acceptable condition, which from Amazon Warehouse, that's kind of the lowest tier as far as the condition of something you're getting. Acceptable is it's going to have scratches, it's going to be beat up, it's probably going to be dirty, could be missing items, all that stuff. But I have a feeling, and I've been saying this in all my videos lately, especially with iRobot, I believe their acceptable condition ones are refurbished by iRobot, and then they're sending them to Amazon and blowing them out. So with the big deal that I showed you guys a few days ago, my brother bought the i6 Plus. It's kind of crazy, this is a legit story. So I told him about the i6 Plus, he got it for $294, right? He's had his i7 Plus for over 2 years. So he got the i6 Plus for $300, he listed his i7 Plus on Facebook, sold it the same night for $400. So he essentially got a brand new vacuum and made $100 on a vacuum that's 2 years old. And if you're not familiar, the i6, the i7, and the i8, those are all the same exact vacuum. So I'm really thinking this i3 Plus is going to look like brand new. As you can see, I haven't opened it, so I don't know if it comes in the original box or anything like that. His came repackaged, but like I said, it was mint. It looks like it's never been used. So I'm hoping for that. And then there's one more robot in here I bought only because it was $44 after coupon. It may not be a very good robot, but I felt for 44 bucks, I'll just test it and add it to my collection. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get into this. And let me know down in the comments if you took advantage of that special deal I put out there on my channel. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the one I haven't talked about yet. This was also acceptable. It was $44 after their 20% off. I don't think it's going to be an amazing robot vacuum, but like I said, for 44 bucks, I just really wanted to try it. It's cool looking, it's got a different type of design, and it'd be cool driving around my testing room. So here we go. This is the Eureka Groove. I'm going to set this down. We'll show you this real quick, and then I'll show you the i3 Plus. I'm really thinking this i3 Plus is going to be brand new condition. I'm currently making a YouTube room, and it's nowhere near complete, but that's why we're in this different room now. But anyways, Eureka Groove, let's see what acceptable comes with. Something that's not iRobot. So acceptable to me would be, this thing's going to be scratched up, missing things, probably dirty inside. But let's find out. As you can see, it's all re-wrapped up by either Amazon or Eureka themselves. I really think these are all refurbished. So yeah, the manual re-wrapped up in this package. We have the docking station and a little baggie. See how clean it looks. So it looks good. Shows a little bit of signs of use, but I totally expect that. Even have a remote control, the two side brushes, a cleaning brush, and then the charging cable, all that's right there. And I'll be doing a full review on this guy. Even comes with the extra filter that you can tell has never been used. And let's check out how clean the robot itself is. Oh yeah, that's nice. I actually really like the finish of this. It's like a brushed stainless steel look. And this one you actually remove the brush roll from the top, which is very unique. It's going to be a single side brush, which I'm okay with. Dust cup release. So everything comes out kind of through the top rather than the back and sides and bottom. So pretty cool. Looking forward to testing this guy. I bet you it does a pretty good job overall for $44 freaking dollars. Like I said, I just had to buy it. Once again, this was a $240 i3 Plus with the self-empty bin. I just had to buy it again. It's actually a really good robot. I just had so many already, and I paid $600, so I kind of wanted my $600 back. So here's what acceptable gets you. Okay, so you can see it's rewrapped like the other one. There's a little bit of protection. Pull out the main robot here in just a second. It's going to be your accessories. So they even give you just like 2, most likely extra bags. There's usually 1 inside. So if they give you 3, I think that's more than I got with my brand new i3 Plus. So that's a cool bonus. An extra filter, your power cord, very cool. So yeah, this is just repackaged. This is exactly how the green iRobot box would have been. And let's see how clean or dirty this guy is. This thing looks extremely clean. It doesn't look like it's ever been used, guys. I really don't think that's ever been used. That is super clean. So it does not have an extra bag in there, which is totally fine. But you do get 2. I don't remember if I got 2 with my original i3. But regardless, getting an extra bag is pretty cool. That's kind of weird. One says iRobot, one doesn't. I wonder if that's a knockoff. It's possible. Let's go ahead and install this for when I do test this guy. I will be putting this guy down in my testing room. See how good this guy does against the i7 Plus and the S9 Plus, and then all my other mini robot vacuums. Now let's check out the main robot. Alright guys, what do you think? i3 Plus, it said in the description it's going to have a bunch of scratches, deep scratches, and just overall condition is not looking so good basically from what it said. So let's see if their description is accurate at all. Look at that. This thing is literally... Look at that, guys. Would you call that acceptable? I call this mint. I call this like new. That is amazing to me. Guys, I really hope you jumped on this deal. $240 for this is ridiculously good deal. And that's why I do those videos for you guys. If you did miss it, go ahead and like and subscribe. When I see great deals like that, I always post them for you guys. And hopefully you can jump on the next one. But let me know down in the comments if you guys bought any of these robots. $240 for that, amazing. $44 for Eureka, absolutely amazing. Like, you can't find a $44 vacuum that's going to do anything worth a dang. So I'm pretty excited. This is even better than I thought. It is Thursday night right now. I know that sale ends at midnight. Honestly, with the condition of these, I might jump back on there and order a couple more random robots. It's such a good deal, and the condition of these is so freaking good. Even this Eureka, I honestly thought this one was going to come dirty and all nasty, but it's literally, I don't think it's been used either. Okay, it's been used, but like once. There's a piece of hair in there, some hair in there, yuck, but 44 bucks. I know I've said this 100 times, but what a freaking deal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that like button for me. Consider subscribing. I'm gonna soon have probably at least 20 robot vacuums. And very soon I plan on taking them all down to my testing room. Have them all run at the same time. And then maybe even do some sort of test where see who picks up the most, or I don't know, some kind of elimination test where if they bump into something, we'll eliminate it from the battle and see who wins at the end. Something like that. If you guys have any cool ideas for down there, having 20 robot vacuums driving around, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to throw something together. That's some of my most popular videos, is the crazy ones I do with all the different robots. So, alright, once again, I really hope you enjoyed that, and you guys have a fantastic evening. See ya.